neither Neodent or Straumann. There are about 400 implant brands out there. I prefer to work scientifically and go, is it titanium oxide? What kind of connection has it got on the top to work to? Is it easy to maintain and service? The ones we use are made by an Italian company, fully certified CE accredited company, who've been around for quite some time. And they make a very unique one-piece implant. And the beauty of using this one-piece implant is it reduces the number of overall moving parts, which is something that is very good for the long-term health of the implants. It's very good for it. The other reason that we use this is because this is one of the first companies, and one of still, which I find shocking, one of the incredibly few companies in the world that have got a fully digital workflow, so we don't have to take messy molds of your mouth. We can just take intraoral scans, and there are libraries available in software where we can plan all your work and everything. Neodent don't have that. Straumann don't have that. Noble Biocare doesn't have it. These are some of the biggest companies in the world, and they don't have it. They don't have it because they're not thinking about patient comfort. They're just going, well, we've been doing this for 20 years. Let's just continue doing the same thing. So we'll only use things that are progressive, that improves patient safety, comfort, and outcome.